Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and today we're going to talk about grozing pliers. What's the best way to use them, and what's a way to get good results with them. Now, before I get started on that, I want to remind you that it is very helpful to us if you subscribe, ring the notification bell, click like on the video, and also leave comments. Those things, those actions can help us to know how we're doing and help us to do better. So with that said, let's get started. Now, first I want to just cut a piece of glass. Okay, I've scored the glass. I put my hands on either side of the score and I rock it apart. That is the action of breaking a piece of glass. That's what we always do. When you forget how you're supposed to grab your glass and bend it, just go like that and that'll remind you. Sometimes we have new students who will take their pliers and they don't remember if they're supposed to go like this or like that. They don't remember what the action is. So just remember that this is the action of pulling the glass apart. Okay, so these are old Grozing pliers. They used to have a spring on them, but they've been used so much they don't even need a spring because they open themselves. Here's a pair that are fairly new and they still have a spring. Alright, so now you'll notice that there's a flat jaw and a curved jaw. Now you want the flat jaw on top and the curved jaw to be down below, and I'll show you why. Now let's see. First of all, we'll take this piece. Now, you take your Grozing pliers, you bring them right up to the edge of the score, pull it off. I could have done that with my hand, but you see, if I go with this, there's not enough really to get leverage, and that's when having two pairs of Grozing pliers works really well for you. And you put one jaw on, and you want to have the top to be the flat jaws. Now you just hold it and let it break apart. Now what I do there, I don't yank on it. Let's see, I think I'm going to go right in the middle on this one. Now I'm not going to yank on it. What I do is I just exert pressure until it gives up. Now, just for fun, I'm going to do one with the pliers upside down. Now this will still work, but you see, when I do it upside down, my jaws on top being curved, I don't have the good support. And look at that, it's not even putting any pressure on the glass. When I put them with the flat edge on top, now it's got a nice firm support and it really supports it the way I want it to. So that's how those jaws work. That's how we want you to break glass. Now, in the end card here, up here, there's a video that's going to tell you more about using Grozing pliers, and this is on a curve. So that might be of interest. And then down here is the link for Jeannie's contest. So you might be interested in going to that or getting a discount on a necklace. So thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time in the Stained Glass Studio.